Friends, prepare to embark on a journey unlike any other. Forget the headlines, cast aside preconceptions, and open your mind to a land of untold stories, profound history, and breathtaking ambition. Today, we delve into the heart of the Arabian Gulf, a nation that defies expectations, a paradox of ancient traditions and futuristic visions. We are traveling to Kuwait. For years, whispers about Kuwait have filtered through, often incomplete, sometimes misunderstood. A small country, yes, but one with a currency that stands as a titan on the global stage. A land of immense wealth, yet for many shrouded in mystery. We've heard the tales of opportunity, of a place where your earnings truly belong to you, unfettered by income tax. But how much do we truly know about this fascinating nation? Today, we peel back the layers. We will explore Kuwait's rich tapestry of history, its vibrant culture, and its aspirations for the future. And for those who dream of a new life, a new horizon, we will navigate the intricate path of travel to this Gulf jewel. Why has Kuwait suddenly re-emerged on the global stage, opening its doors wide? What does life truly look like in this prosperous emirate? Join me as we uncover the astonishing facts about Kuwait. Kuwait. The very name evokes images of desert landscapes and oil wealth. But its story began long before the black gold flowed. Its origins trace back centuries, with evidence suggesting settlements as early as 1613. For generations, Kuwait was a bustling trading hub, a maritime crossroads where dhows laden with goods sailed to India and beyond, and caravans traversed its deserts, connecting distant lands. The ruling Al Sabah family, established in 1756, navigated a complex web of regional powers, eventually forging a relationship with Great Britain in the late 19th century that secured its autonomy. This golden era of trade gave birth to a unique culture, shaped by the ebb and flow of merchants, pearl divers, and Bedouin tribes. A spirit of resilience, hospitality, and shrewd business acumen became the hallmark of the Kuwaiti people. This was a land built on the sweat and ingenuity of its inhabitants, long before the world knew of its hidden treasures. Then came the discovery that would irrevocably alter its destiny: oil. First discovered in 1938, the commercial export of crude oil began in 1946, transforming a modest sheikdom into one of the wealthiest nations on earth. This newfound prosperity brought rapid development, modern infrastructure, and a standard of living that remains among the highest globally. Kuwait gained full independence from Britain in 1961, charting its own course in the international arena. However, its strategic location and immense oil reserves also made it vulnerable. We cannot speak of Kuwait's history without acknowledging the shadow of the 1990 Iraqi invasion, a brutal occupation that sought to erase Kuwait's very identity, claiming it as a historical province of Iraq. The world watched in horror as a nation was violated. But the international community, led by a formidable coalition, responded. Operation Desert Storm liberated Kuwait in 1991, but the scars of that conflict run deep, a stark reminder of the fragile nature of peace and sovereignty in a volatile region. This period underscores Kuwait's unwavering commitment to its independence and its pragmatic approach to international relations, often leaning on strong alliances to safeguard its future. Fast forward to today, Kuwait stands as a vibrant, modern nation, yet one that holds steadfast to its deeply rooted traditions and Islamic values. Its official name, the State of Kuwait, or Dawlat al-Kuwait in Arabic, speaks to its formal identity as an emirate. Bordered by Iraq and Saudi Arabia on the shores of the Persian Gulf, its capital, Kuwait City, is a gleaming metropolis of towering skyscrapers and bustling avenues. With a population of approximately 5 million, the majority residing in urban centers, Kuwait is a land of contrasts, a small geographic footprint housing colossal economic power. Its GDP, estimated at around $170 billion, ranks among the top 60 globally, and its per capita income, hovering between $35,000 and $40,000, speaks volumes about the prosperity enjoyed by its citizens and residents alike. And speaking of residents, a significant portion of Kuwait's population is made up of expatriates. Nearly 3.42 million foreign workers live and contribute to this dynamic society, outnumbering Kuwaiti nationals. For many, particularly from South Asia, the allure of Kuwait has always been strong, driven by the promise of exceptional earning potential. This brings us to a crucial point: the Kuwaiti dinar, the strongest currency in the world. One Kuwaiti dinar currently exchanges for approximately 914 Pakistani rupees or 280 Indian rupees, firmly pegged to the US dollar, ensuring its stability. For 19 long years, a visa ban loomed over citizens from several countries, including Pakistan. It was a period of limited access, fueled by security concerns and complex geopolitical dynamics. But now, the landscape has shifted dramatically. Kuwait has reopened its visa channels for Pakistanis and indeed for others. Why this sudden change? The reasons are multifaceted and speak to Kuwait's evolving needs. Firstly, Kuwait is in urgent need of skilled labor, particularly in critical sectors like healthcare and energy. The nation, despite its oil wealth, has faced power generation challenges, highlighting the need to modernize infrastructure and diversify energy sources. Importing gas from Qatar and revamping its power grid require a robust workforce. Secondly, Kuwait is embracing a new vision for its future, one that includes a significant push into tourism, following in the footsteps of its Gulf neighbors. The desire to attract visitors, to showcase its unique culture and attractions, is a key driver behind the new tourist visa offerings. This strategic pivot signifies a broader economic diversification strategy, moving beyond a sole reliance on oil. So, how does one embark on this journey? Kuwait has officially approved work visas, family visas, and tourist visas for Pakistanis. For those seeking employment, particularly in the healthcare sector, opportunities are emerging. For instance, Kuwait plans to initially hire 1,200 nurses from Pakistan. The application process for now involves submitting job offers, degrees, and medical documents online via the official Pakistani Bureau of Immigration and Overseas Employment website. While the official Kuwaiti visa portal for Pakistanis is still in development, it's imperative to stay updated through official channels and exercise extreme caution against unauthorized consultants. Always verify information directly from the source. Now let's paint a picture of life in Kuwait. Imagine stepping into a land where summer temperatures can soar to a staggering 50 degrees Celsius. Despite the heat, life flourishes. Kuwait City is a modern marvel with sleek architecture and a buzzing atmosphere. Transportation within the city is diverse. While taxis, often booked via apps like Kareem, can be pricey, a well-developed public bus system offers a more economical way to get around. And when it comes to fuel, prepare to be surprised. Petrol is remarkably cheap, a stark contrast to many other nations, a testament to Kuwait's vast oil reserves. To truly immerse yourself in the local culture, a visit to Souk al-Mubarakiyah is essential. This ancient market is the beating heart of Kuwaiti life, especially in the evenings when the oppressive daytime heat subsides. Here, traditional architecture blends seamlessly with the aroma of perfumes and the sweet scent of dates. It's a place where history comes alive, where you can haggle for treasures and experience authentic Kuwaiti hospitality. Much like Dubai, Kuwait also boasts a dedicated gold souk, a gleaming testament to its love for precious metals. Beyond the souks, Kuwait's culinary scene is a delight. Traditional Arabic cuisine takes center stage, with makbous lam, a flavorful dish of rice with chicken, lamb, or fish, being the national favorite. Fresh produce, imported from across the globe, is readily available in vibrant markets like Al Farwaniya. No exploration of Kuwait is complete without mentioning its instantly recognizable symbols. The Kuwait Towers, a trio of majestic structures, were originally built as water reservoirs, but have long since transcended their utilitarian purpose to become a national icon. An entry ticket grants you access to breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city, a testament to Kuwait's impressive urban development. Nearby, artistic displays of Kuwaiti banknotes offer a whimsical touch, celebrating the nation's economic strength. Kuwait's Grand Mosque stands as a testament to its deeply held Islamic faith, a masterpiece of architectural beauty. And for those who appreciate the beauty of Quranic recitation, it's worth noting that the globally renowned reciter, Mashari Rashid Al-Afasi, whose melodious voice has touched millions, hails from Kuwait. For those considering a move, understanding the cost of living is paramount. While detailed figures for 2025 will vary, General trends indicate that a two-bedroom apartment can rent for Kuwait $250–350 per month, comfortably accommodating 4 or 6 people. Monthly food expenses for a family of 4 typically range around $255–250. Crucially, utilities like water and electricity are often included in rental agreements, simplifying budgeting. One of the most attractive aspects for foreign workers is the financial benefit. The minimum salary in Kuwait, often including free housing, can start from Kuwait 180, approximately PKR 1 to 3 lakh, significantly higher than many other Gulf countries. Workers in Kuwait generally report better treatment and living conditions compared to some neighboring nations, reflecting the country's commitment to a higher standard of living for all. And as mentioned, the absence of personal income tax means that what you earn, you keep. However, a word of caution for all travelers. Kuwait has stringent cybercrime laws. Spreading false information online can lead to severe penalties, including permanent blacklisting. Respect for local customs is also paramount. While modern and outward-looking, Kuwait remains culturally conservative. Women are often seen in traditional attire, and public displays of affection are generally frowned upon. Hospitality, however, is deeply ingrained in Kuwaiti culture, and guests are warmly welcomed with Arabic coffee known as gawa. Kuwait's journey continues, defined by its ambition to diversify its economy and strengthen its place on the world stage. The Al Sabah royal family, with an estimated fortune of $360 billion, continues to lead the nation, guiding its development and preserving its unique heritage. The narrative of Kuwait is not merely one of oil and wealth. It is a story of resilience, of rebuilding from adversity, and of forging a future that honors its past. From its humble beginnings as a trading port to its current status as a global economic powerhouse, Kuwait stands as a testament to the power of vision, strategic alliances, and the unwavering spirit of its people. As our journey through Kuwait comes to a close, remember, every nation has its complexities, its challenges, and its triumphs. Kuwait's story is one that deserves to be heard, understood, and appreciated. May your own journeys be filled with discovery, understanding, and the enriching experiences that travel alone can provide.